A battery relocation kit from Detroit Speed is the perfect way to clean up your engine bay and improve the weight distribution of your vehicle. CNC machined out of 6061 aluminum, DSE's billet battery mount provides a rugged yet simple and attractive way to relocate your battery to the trunk or anywhere else you choose. It's designed to securely hold the Optima, Odyssey, or Group 34/78 batteries with a standard 10¼ inch length, and the height can be adjusted for a snug fit. Detroit Speed's lateral removal method means you won't have to lift that battery out of a deep recess. Simply loosen the hold down and slide it out. 4 countersunk mounting holes provide added flexibility when selecting a permanent mounting location. Kits include stainless steel fasteners and everything needed to relocate your battery to the trunk. We also offer the aluminum mount by itself, in case you've already relocated your battery but you want to upgrade to a Detroit Speed hold down. Don't forget, we also carry side and top mount battery terminals, terminal bulkheads, and battery cable to complete your battery relocation project. Add some security and dress up your ride with a battery hold down kit from Detroit Speed Engineering. To see our full line of accessories for your vehicle, visit us at DetroitSpeed.com.